Alright, it's time to tow the Town and Country. Here comes the tow truck. So, here we go.
Hey guys, it's me, Matt from MSM Adventures.
And I'm Scott from MSM Adventures, and
he's getting his car towed because his engine is kind of having some problems.
Yep, it won't start, so they're putting it up on the tow truck.
And I go check it out.
And it's a sad day for the van, but they'll hopefully get us fixed up. This is the same company that towed Mom's car when she got in her accident.
Yep.
Group's Towing.
I'm actually kind of surprised that you never actually crashed your car yet.
Well, hopefully I don't. Accidents happen, but hopefully we keep it safe.
At least we can save some money for a new van.
Yeah, hopefully we don't need a new van yet.
Hopefully not.
There we go. Alright, we'll be back with you guys. Yeah, there it goes, up on the ramp.
Why not get Mark in there?
Hey Mark, what do you think of this?
Good.
Good? At least not fun, not good that my car's getting towed, but at least it's fun to see it, huh?
Our reaction is kind of surprising. Post that on YouTube. Yep.
Probably. Is that all right?
Yeah.
Is that okay if you're on YouTube?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
I always want to be.
You always want to be on YouTube? All right. You and Meadow will be able to watch it.
I recognize that it was your van because of all the stickers.
Yeah, it's got all the stickers, including the MSM Adventure sticker on the back.
Yep.
Maybe we'll get another subscriber from it being towed. People will look at it.
I think there will be sad. How many subscribers do they have anyway?
I think we're up to a whopping like 39 subscribers.
Yeah, I saw that.
So yeah.
I wonder if they'll actually give us. I wonder if they'll actually subscribe, because sometimes when things are sad, they usually subscribe or leave a thumbs up.
Maybe people subscribe because they feel bad for us. Well, at least
So
it's
we
just.
might get like 10 subscribers.
Maybe we'll get 10 subscribers. I don't know. I doubt it, but.
I doubt it.
But you never know.
Sad.
Hopefully it helps if we'll do a follow-up and see what was actually wrong with it. Maybe it'll help somebody who has this problem in the future, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That'd be good.
Make sure you guys don't have car crash like this.
No.
That's scary. Because this is the same crew that towed my mom's car when she crashed.
Yeah.
Was it her fault
And
or was the driver's fault?
It was
her fault.
no.
Well, it was both of them's fault. It was both of them.
It was probably both of them's fault, but we don't know.
They crashed into each other and it's a red light.
Yeah.
Was she speeding?
No, she wasn't speeding. We think the other person was, but we don't know.
And we didn't even see the traffic light anyway.
Meadow
So it's not really our fault.
Meadow was there at least.
At least I still survived.
At least you survived. Everybody was safe. That's the important part.
And wait, I actually did see some smoke starting in the front.
Yeah.
Right after second.
Yeah.
And then people were still honking at us when, like, because there's like a black van, like, in front of, like, in the back of my mom's car after the crash happened.
Yeah.
And then, like, honking already because of the car. But no, we were out of the car and we crashed.
Yeah. And there was no way to move that car, was there?
Nope. The red car was fine, actually. It was after her black car.
Yeah, that was her black Prius that got crashed.
Yeah. Well, what did you have before? When we were going to a birthday party.
Yeah, I know. What a bummer, huh?
Oh, so you missed the birthday party. And
Hey,
we didn't miss the party.
I drove you guys to the birthday party. Yeah. All right.
So where were you?
It's looking good.
We were like in the middle of like 4 ways.
Yeah, it was a rough area.
It was a pain.
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, we will check back in with you later, and we'll let you know what turns out to be the problem. Hopefully, they fix it for us. All right. Thanks a lot.
I think a fire truck come and an ambulance just in case.
Yep.
And a police car.
Yeah. All right.
And just in case for the fire truck. This is a reason for the fire truck. Just in case.
All right.
This is for the fire truck. Bye.
See you later, Town and Country. Hopefully, we see you soon, all fixed up.
This is for the fire trucks. This is for the fire trucks on the crash.
Yeah.
just in case if it was a really bad accident.
Right.
Just in case.
They sent a fire truck and ambulance for you, right? Just in case you were hurt?
Just in case.
Yep. All right.
And just in case, sometimes when it's really bad crashes, there's sometimes a fire on the car.
Yep. All right, you want to close up the gate?
And can I take the photo real quick?
Here. Why don't you sign off? Why don't you say goodbye to your fans?
Camera real quick.
For the video?
This
Got
one.
Mark's mom.
Yep.
All right. All right, guys. We'll talk to you later. Have fun playing, Meadow.
Okay.
Bye.